2026 Mercedes Maybach SL 680 is imagined as the ultimate expression of open-top Mercedes luxury. An SL Roadster elevated to Maybach level, for buyers who want super GT performance with full limousine-grade comfort and craftsmanship. From the outside, the SL 680 keeps the long hood, short deck proportions of the new SL, but adds clear Maybach cues. A vertical slat Maybach grille with fine chrome detailing and discrete Maybach badges set the tone at the front. Two-tone paint options, extra bright work around the window line, and polished 21 or 22-inch multi-spoke Maybach alloy wheels give it a formal, almost yacht-inspired presence. Subtle chrome accents on the lower body, an elegant rear diffuser treatment, and Maybach-specific LED signatures ensure it looks like a flagship whether the fabric roof is up or folded away. Inside, the SL 680 is all about indulgence for two. The SL's sporty cockpit is retrimmed with the very best materials, semi-aniline or Napa leather with intricate quilting and piping, open-pore wood or piano lacquer panels, deep carpets, and real metal switchgear. Both seats offer full electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, multiple massage programs, and AIRS-CARF neck level heating for top-down comfort in cooler weather. Ambient lighting with a wide color palette lets you tailor the mood from relaxed lounge to discreetly sporty. Everything you see and touch is elevated beyond even a high-spec AMG SL. Technology is state-of-the-art. The latest MBUX system is displayed on a large central touchscreen and a fully digital instrument cluster, with an augmented reality head-up display available. Hey Mercedes voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, online services, and over-the-air updates are all included. A bespoke Burmester 4D or Maybach-tuned audio system is tailored to roof-up and roof-down listening, delivering true concert hall sound. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and connected car functions complete the tech package. Under the hood, the Maybach SL 680 would use a hand-built 6-liter twin-turbo V12, in line with Maybach 680 badging, paired with a mild hybrid system for extra low-end torque and smooth stop-start operation. Power output would comfortably exceed 600 HP, delivered through a sophisticated automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system biased to the rear for classic GT dynamics. The focus is on effortless, near-silent thrust rather than aggressive track performance, rapid, refined acceleration with a deep but muted V12 soundtrack. On the road, the SL 680 prioritizes comfort and composure. Adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear axle steering work together to give a magic carpet ride over poor surfaces while maintaining precise control at higher speeds. Multiple drive modes range from a Maybach-tuned comfort/chauffeur setting, softer, quieter, more relaxed, to more dynamic modes that firm up damping, sharpen responses, and let the car show its performance capability when desired. Extensive sound deadening, acoustic glass, and active noise control keep wind and road noise very low, even at Autobahn speeds with the roof up. Safety and driver assistance tech are at Mercedes flagship level. Expect adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping and lane change assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced parking assist. Semi-autonomous driving on approved highways would likely be supported, with systems tuned for smooth, unhurried operation in keeping with the Maybach character. Practicality for a car of this type is respectable. There's enough boot space for a couple of weekend bags or cabin-size luggage, and interior storage covers small items, phones, and travel essentials. But the SL 680 is unapologetically about two-seat grand touring and open-air luxury, not family duty. In terms of pricing, a 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL 680 would sit well above even an AMG SL, firmly in the ultra-luxury bracket. In many markets, you'd expect pricing comfortably into the high six-figure range once bespoke paint, exclusive interior trims, and Maybach-specific options are added, positioning it alongside high-end Bentleys and Aston Martins. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury and performance content. Tell me in the comments. If you had the choice, would you take a Maybach spec SL 680 for open-top luxury, or stick with a more focused AMG SL for outright performance? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, ride in style, and keep moving forward.